piece?
Yeah, this is the last touch. Pero que sea deséptica. You know what I use the gloves? A little bit. I do like this. I scratch the whole thing. My fingers.
Oh, they're too rough?
Bad. I'm not reaching the second, please. I'm not reaching my hands.
If you touch my ass, I'm gonna get this and squeeze it in your ass.
It's too big.
Go there. Go there. Go.
How you making
Because
it?
he cannot do it, that's why. He's short.
He's short.
If it's not like this, I don't see he's doing nothing. All
Shut
day.
up, I do more work than you.
Okay. He's crazy.
How did you do more work than him?
Bro, you
You
think
built the
this?
whole car.
Okay, hold on. If I don't write the estimate, how's gonna write that thing? And I still have to manage them too. I have to write the estimate, give him the work, and I have to still tell him what to do.
Yes, Arkis, yes.
So he has no idea what to do if you're not here.
Yes.
Okay, it's good or not?
Huh? He's a good guy. He's a
Okay,
good
it's good.
Aw.
Yeah, fuck you, Josh Mo.
What did I do?
You're a fraud person.
Ladies and gentlemen, Joe gave me a camera, so I'm filming and driving, as you can see. It's not a GoPro, it's not something, it's actually a big ass camera, and I have this mic hooked up, as you can see on the beautiful red seatbelt. I am currently driving the SF90 Spider. As you can see, nobody's next to me. That's the beautiful Daytona seat. Look at that. So right now we are headed to a little location not too far from the shop. It has some bridges. It's near the Rose Bowl, actually. We're lucky enough to live nearby a lot of cool places. And we don't usually trek out like the green SF90. You know, we drove up really high to get to that location. We're not gonna go that far this time. This car does have about 60 miles on the dash. This is the SF90 Spider, like I said. I don't have the top down because I'm not a big convertible fan. Right now, Joe wanted to go to that 6th Street Bridge near LA downtown with all those arches, but I think it's a little played out and also it's gonna be too much drama. So this bridge has been here for a long time and it's gonna be easier, I think. All right, guys, we are over here on scene. We have a beautiful bridge. This is a very old bridge, actually. There's a lot of bridges around us. This is in that Pasadena area by the Rose Bowl. Really beautiful location. Right here is the beautiful SF90 Spider. This is the first in the world with the BBS LMs on a Spider. I was gonna say first in the world for a RYFT kit, but it's not. It's actually the third because we did the other two. And another Spider with it. This is the second Spider with the RYFT kit. As you can see, gorgeous car, Rosso Scuderia. This is not the Rosso Corsa. This is the brighter red color. Super, super bright. It's in shade right now and it's still super bright. Top 3 colors for me. Beautiful color. And it is a Spider with the black top. So perfect configuration. And now it's got the full 21-inch BBS LMs on there with the big step lip. We do have 22-inch BBS LMs on order for the rear. However, they didn't make it in time. We also have the KW hydraulic lifter because this car did not have the lifter option. I say KW because Novatec actually rebrands all their stuff and KW makes it for Novatec, so same thing there, but it is actually KW that makes it. So we're gonna be installing the lifter and the 22-inch wheels after this video. But there you have it. You got the full RYFT carbon fiber fenders, you got the canards, and you got the 2 lips on the bottom. That big square on the bottom, a lot of people are going to talk about that. That is actually a traffic warning collision sensor, which is really cool because if you're texting and driving, which you should not be doing, the car will actually brake for you. Yes, it's a Ferrari with blind spot sensors. It has a front radar sensor. So it has all the technology in it, which is beautiful, and it's 1,000 horsepower. Full Novatec exhaust system, so it is also loud. It is lowered right now on the Novatec KW springs. It's got the side skirts from RYFT, which are really beautiful because the paint scheme on them, it comes full carbon fiber, but we masked it and we painted a portion of it to show those red slits. So now it has those 3 slits on the side and they're painted red. Looks amazing. The boys in the back are filming, doing B-roll, taking photos, all that stuff right now. So bear with us. But yeah, you're watching behind the scenes of RDB right now. Joe's a little bit upset because things didn't go his way today. So he's moving weirdly, but yeah. Look at that fitment, looks amazing. The front was actually a little too low, so we had to raise it so we could drive it comfortably, but we're still being careful because there's no lifter. The interior is beautiful, black and red Daytona seats. This car has about 50 miles on it, came straight from the dealer to us. The customer did not even drive it. Perfect paint match color. There is no color difference. Color is flawless, fitment is flawless. It's got the 2-piece RYFT aero wing in the back, still functional, goes up and down the front piece. Yellow shields, yellow brakes, gorgeous car. We love the SF90. We have a lot more in store. Let us know which SF90 we have worked on is your favorite. We've worked on a lot of regular ones, but I'm talking about the major ones. The satin black one, Spider with the RYFT kit, the Verde Francisca green color, the coupe, and now this Rosso Scuderia Spider. All 3 of them have the RYFT kit. All 3 of them have different wheels. It's hard to choose which one. I like certain aspects of each one, honestly. Like the Verde Francisca has the beautiful RDB wheels and the color's amazing. This color is insane and it's a Spider. And then the satin black one is just mean looking. So comment, let us know, black, green, or red. Let us know which one's your favorite. So they put these gates because people would jump off of it. I guess they called it like a suicide bridge. I bike through that gate, that bridge all the time. This is actually my like cycling area. So it's a really good biking area. But rather drive a Ferrari.
Holding the wind because it doesn't have screws in the bottom. Yeah, we try to move it, but we hope the car doesn't have a light inside. Yeah, we disconnect this, we're gonna be air light. So
Why'd you take it off?
oh, we polish.
Oh, it looks nice. Jesus Christ, it looks nice. Wow, this thing. All right, you guys, we have this beautiful Maybach that you guys have seen. This 2-tone Maybach. We changed up the wheels today, and these are RDB wheels, of course. It looks amazing. I think this car came out really nice with these new wheels. It fits the car much nicer than the other wheels that were on the car previously. So it's beautiful, 2-tone, slammed, beautiful wheels, RDB wheels, and this thing's ready to go.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.